So, good day, ma'am. So, today I will discuss the chapter 8, which is the Social Security and Insurance. So, what is Social Security and Insurance? So, that means that Social Security is not a single program, it is an umbrella term that covers a variety of government run run programs designed to offer financial support and protection to different groups of people across society. So, the Social Security in the United States is a rubric that includes many programs benefiting diverse groups of citizens. So, si Social Security include siya ng mga help like pension para sa mga senior citizen like nitong mga dili na maka-work tungod kay retired na. And also para sa awon mga sakit or mga disability and Medicare and also the employment insurance. So, ini mga program is makatabang sa mga auto na inahanglan ng money and mostly sa mga way trabaho, ang sakit and retired or nidang healthcare. So the most important programs from the point of view of public policy are first is the Old Age Survivors and Disability or OASDI. So So, ngini is the pension sa mga citizen na wad-a na mga bana or asawa or mga aon sakit na di da makatrabaho. Next is the Medicare. Si Medicare is among insurance sang panglawas para sa mga citizens. Next is unemployment insurance. So, ngini is makatabang sa mga auto na waan ng trabaho or yangita pa ng work. So these three programs are considered the foundation of public support in US because they protect citizens in the critical situations. Next is the Social Security Retirement System. So, si pay as you go versus fully funded system. So what is the pay as you go means? So, si pay as you go means among ini na mga utaw na work then magbayad isab ng buwis, then yan na kwarta is gamiton dahil sa paghatag ng pension sa mga citizens na nayari da. So, wa mag-rely sang long-term saving or investment accounts for each individual. So, example, pay ka na ng social security tax, but yan na money is mupasingod siya sa kanmo grandparents or parent na already retired da. So, dili siya directly ma-save kanmo. Next is the fully funded system. So, what is fully funded pension system means? So, ang mga empleyado or employer na nag-save ng kwarta every month para sa personal fund nila. So, that money is invested and saved or growing until the person retires. So, example, private retirement account like a pension fund na kan mo iipunan na gamiton mo inig retire mo. Next is how retirement benefits are computed under the Social Security. So, ngini is nag-focus yan sa full retirement age. So, in year 2000, i-change ng government yung edad ng pagkuha ng full the benefits sa Social Security. So, before, 65 years old, pwede da makakuha ng complete na pension. But now, depende na sa tuig na you were born o kano ka yautaw. Kasagaran kay 66 or 67 da yung full retirement age. So, kay kung mo retire ka na bata pa ka sa edad na i-required, gamay da na pension yung madawat mo, dili fully. Pero kung makatagad ka lang hantod mo abot yung i-required na age is makuha mo yung full benefits. So the next is the formula calculates and and employees' average index month earnings, which are based on the workers' average monthly earnings. So, si Social Security, gagamit siya ng formula to calculate how much a retired worker will receive rather in benefits. One important of this formula is called the average index monthly earnings. So, si average index monthly earnings represent na the worker's average monthly income over their highest earnings working years. So these earnings are indexed, which means they are adjusted to reflect changes in wages over time. So in a simple term, si average monthly earnings is the adjusted average of workers' monthly salary na igamit to determine the amount of social security benefit they will they will get they will get upon retirement. So that's all.